Let's make a ultimate juicy homemade cheeseburger and craft that perfect patty together. Start with 250 grams of minced beef. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt and pepper each, along with 1 teaspoon of paprika for that smoky kick. Now add in a handful of finely chopped onion and fresh coriander leaves. These add a burst of flavor and freshness to our patties. Mix everything together until well combined. Once mixed, divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them into patties, slightly larger than your buns as they will shrink while cooking. While the patties rest, slice 1 onion and 1 tomato into thin slices. These will be layered into our burger for added crunch and juiciness. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add in the patties. Wait until the patties have developed a nice sear on the first side. You will notice juices starting to pool on the top, indicating it's time to flip. While the patties are cooking, lightly toast the buns until golden brown and set aside. Press the patties gently and cook them to perfection. After cooking, let the patties rest for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the juice to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful burger. Now let's make our sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise with 2 teaspoons of homemade peri-peri sauce. Mix until smooth and set aside. For the homemade peri-peri sauce recipe, check the link in the description below or in the top right corner of the video. To assemble, take a burger bun and spread a generous layer of the sauce on the bottom half. Place tomato and onion slices. You can also use pickled vegetables or use fried onion strings for added texture and flavor. Feel free to add other toppings to suit your taste preferences. Add the cooked beef patty, a layer of cheese, add the second patty on top, followed by a layer of fresh lettuce. Drizzle a little more sauce over the lettuce, then top with the other half of the bun. And there you have it, a delicious homemade cheeseburger that's bursting with flavor, perfect for any occasion.